Hi there! Welcome to this new episode on the Sugaridoo channel. My name is Irene and today I'm going to make a center block for a round robin. With our quilting bee of the Dutch Modern Quilt Guild, we are going to work on a round robin. And that means that everyone is going to make a center block. We decided it should be between 6 and 12 inches, so everyone makes one block. And then you pass it on to a different member of your quilt bee. So everyone goes home with a new block that someone else made, and then you are going to add a border around it. So and when you're done with that border, you're going to pass it on to someone else, and then everyone is going to add to your centerpiece. This evening there's already the bee where we are going to exchange the blocks for the first time, and I haven't made my center block yet. So time to start. First off, fabric choices. Pretty important because the other people who are going to work on the quilt are going to decide on colors and everything on what you make. So these are going to be the colors I'm using in the block. So let's see, for size we said between 6 and 12 inches. I think I'm going with 10 or maybe 9. I think 9 or 12 because I picked 9 colors and a few background colors. And I'm going to make pluses, so I can make 9 pluses. So I could do 3 times 3 or 3 times 4. Yeah, I'm going to go for a small quilt. So it's going to be 9 inches, so my plus blocks should be 3 inches. Okay, let's start cutting. So the total block is going to be 9 by 9 inches, but then 9.5 because you add the seam allowance. So I should have not 3 times 3, but it should be a minimum of 3.5. But I'm going to add pluses inside, so I'm going to cut 4-inch blocks. I don't have to be precise at all, because I'm going to trim them anyway. So now I've got the blocks, and then I'm going to cut them because I want to make plus signs. So first going to cut it once. That's that. Now I need strips of my colored fabric, and also that I can fuzzy cut. So I need 2 strips per color because I'm going to make 1 plus from each fabric. I think this is going to be a quick project. I think this is one of my all-time favorite fabrics. It's by Carrie Lewis from the Blueberry Park series. I'm very happy that I have a bolt of this one because I never want to run out of it. Okay, let's go to the sewing machine. first batch is sewn and pressed, so now I'm going to slice them again and sew them again, and then the 9 plus squares are done. Time to square up my blocks. It is such a quick project. I love it. So I'm going to square them up 3.5 inch. Yeah, 3.5 inch. So when I add them up, it's going to be 9.5 inch. There we have it. All the blocks are cut, and now I need to decide on the order which they will be in the block. Okay, let's see. If I put them randomly, maybe then I'm already happy with it. I think so. Looks pretty, right? Maybe you can turn that one. We have a green here, green there, oranges, pink. The dark grays are separated. This is going to be it. Let's sew it together. Now they're pressed, and when I'm going to sew, yes, so you see the bottom row is pressed that way and the top is pressed that way. So now you can just snuggle up these seams, and you also do that with the next one. You can put a pin in it, of course, but I just like to wing it and sew without pins. And look, that's what you get. So it is pretty accurate without any pins. And here as well. Time to give it a final press. Let's see. I'm going to press those seams open because then it lies a little bit more flat. Oh, that is just perfect. I love it. Ooh, let's see if I manage to make it the size I wanted. Dum 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 dum. Almost. Yeah, I guess that counts. And the other way. Ooh, I I'm missing a snippet here. No! Uh-oh. What to do? What to do? So, haha, fixed. It's improvisation quilting anyway, right? I love it. It was a very quick block to sew. So I'm going to write down the instructions also on my blog so you can read it and make your own blog if you want to. And of course I will be shooting a follow-up video about the other round robins that will be made and the rows that will be added to my round robin. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. You can give a thumbs up or subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope to see you next video. Bye bye!